Okay, so this is the plan. We are going to remove the carpet and padding on the first floor, and underneath this is some old fir flooring. So there is a little bit of work that we have to do here to refinish it. This here will come out. But I'm gonna have to do something to straighten this up. You can see there's a patch here, so there may have been like a chimney here at one point that was removed. So we'll pull up that flooring and then we'll resand everything in here, and then whatever is under the out into this room here too. And hey, I'm trying to show where the bullet holes are.
There are bullet holes?
Yeah, there's a couple of bullet holes in the middle here.
Well, that's okay. Putty will fill them in.
Yeah, putty will fill
God,
in.
look at all the sand.
Yeah. Well, that's what happens when you have carpet. Okay, well, anyway, if I spot the bullet holes, I'll point them out later. Anyway, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to yank the carpet, refinish these floors, and then in the kitchen and bathroom, we are going to do snap lock floors. And I have another video where we did the snap lock floors, and it works out really well for a kitchen and bathroom because it will just go right over the old floor. Okay, so we also have to tear out this bathroom here. We spent a bit of time talking to my agent, and we came up with a game plan where we can make more money on this by doing the restoration work, because a lot of people, they just want to buy a nice house. So we'll get this one all fixed up and ready for whoever wants to buy it, and it should increase my profitability by about $100,000. So that makes perfectly good money sense. Okay, so that's what we're doing right now. We are going to pull out all this old carpet and then start doing some floor restoration work. Okay, hang on for more details as they come available. Okay, so you can see that the carpet is coming up pretty quick. So here's one of the trigger spots that we got to fix. We have an old wall that used to be here and an old chimney hole that used to be there. So we will remove and then weave new fir flooring into those areas and make that look nice and new again. And one of the lots of putty. One of the problems with this house is you can't see it so much on this side, but it drops. It has a slope to that side over there, but it becomes more pronounced in here because most of the slope happens right under the stairwell there. So you can see it a little bit more plainly looking at the floor there. It may or may not show up on camera. And then, so in here, you know, they just painted the floor in here, so we'll sand that out, rip up all the old nail strips. And this is one of the things I don't like about carpet. See, this carpet's only a couple of years old, and people bring in their pets, and their pets begin to leave their signature everywhere. It's not helping me. There, so you can see all the pet stains in here. So, and then, it goes into the padding too, and there are the products that will help to get rid of it. But, so, someone here had a cat at one time. So if you look at these nail strips all along here, you can see these nails are all rusted. You can see that this one here has moisture in it. See how it's darker? And same over here. You can see how it has moisture in it. And so, yeah. And then somebody clobbered this baseboard heater here, so that has to get changed. Anyway, if you are going to operate a rental property, you have to be able to work on the property. If you're paying someone else to do the work, you're just not going to, either you're not going to make money or you're going to break even, but you have to learn to work on things yourself to make money. Okay. All right, so back to work here. Just wanted to show you that. We are going to get new appliances, microwave, range, refrigerator, dishwasher. The laundry is already in pretty good shape, so that stays. All right. So keep watching and see how this remodel progresses, and I'll let you know how the sale of the house goes when we get to that point. Hopefully I will make a lot of money. And that is how you make money. You buy real estate, you work on it, you keep it for a few years.
This is how the rich get rich.
This is how the rich get rich.
But they do it with other venues besides this.
Yeah.
This is the poor man's way to do it.
Yeah, well, this is your force multiplier. When you have a rental property, it's a force multiplier because you're making appreciation, you're making rent.
Tax deductions?
Yeah, you're getting tax deductions. So a rental property is a force multiplier for income. Not at first, but on the backside, after a few years, you start seeing the benefit. All right, let's get back to it. Okay, so we are pulling the carpet out of here, and you see how easy this is. You just pull the carpet up, grab your utility knife, slit the carpet on, roll your carpet back to a fold, and cut it. Always be careful using a utility knife. You don't want to cut yourself. A lot of people cut themselves while using a utility knife. Let me bring you over here. And do it this way. And keep in mind, I am doing this with, I've got a bad back, I've got bad knees, I've got high blood pressure, I've got a bad heart, but I'm doing it. So, and just because I'm doing it doesn't mean everybody can do it.
He's got his friend, the cancer patient, in here helping him.
Yeah, my friend, the cancer survivor, 2 cancer survivors, is here helping me. That would be the only,
the
unknown mechanic.
Is it ready to roll?
Ready to roll. In fact, it's ready to rock and roll.
Rocky the squirrel?
Yeah.
Okay, grab that twine.
Oh. Okay.
I'll roll this up as tight as I can. And you tie a half in this knot. What's my second favorite knot? A half hitch.
Half hitch. I thought it was a half-assed. There. So there, you can see plainly how easy it is. You know, you get started on doing something and then you have your friend come in and finish it up for you. And, you know, it's very easy.
It's very easy.
It's very easy.
Convince others to do your work for you.
See, I am a modern day Tom Sawyer. Okay, so there you go. So you see how easy that is? We just cut that carpet right in half. We pull it back, cut it in half. Now we're going to get this one here. You just pull it on up, comes right up. And the old guy with all the health problems rolls it up. And this, if you have health problems, this is a good way to stay healthy. You know, work. A little work is good for you.
Here, I'll show you how to get a half hitch started.
You don't like that one?
Ow. This is how I do it.
I admit it, mine was more like a half-ass, not a half-hitch.
And we're doing our best for the environment because we're recycling this hay twine.
Yep, that has been recycled many times. Oh, yeah. Oh, God, whatever I did to my back, every time I move a certain way, it's like a knife. This is all 12-inch, like Bakelite tile under it.
Oh.
Okay. So let us pull the foam pad out of here now. Looks like somebody did something there. I don't know what. There's always something. Okay. Let's see what we get here. We've got a floor here. Sorry for the awful camera work. And there we go. There is the old 12-inch, 10-inch square tile.
It looks like it's still got wax on it.
Oh yeah. Well, you know, it could just be the foam slipping on it, polishing. There we go. And just a test scrape. Okay, let's see. Yeah, probably. Okay.
Got a steak with my little finger.
Oh. Do you need someone to kiss it?
I need a Band-Aid.
Back seat of the right behind the passenger seat.
Pretty good.
Oh, not especially.
I was going to do it during right?
Mm-hmm. The flat bar method is probably a little bit better.
This is not looking that good.
No, you need your gloves on. Okay, so let me grab my flat bar and I'm going to have some fun too.
Oh, you think what I was doing is better?
All right, so this is the end of the day here, we have all of our old carpet is torn up now. You can see how they used to have like a ornamental rug or something on the floor, and then they just finished around the perimeters of the rooms. And so we are kind of evaluating what's going on here, and we may still, instead of refinishing these floors, just get some snap lock floor and do the entire thing in snap lock floor, because people seem to think it's all right, and it's cheaper than real wood and faster than real wood. But what's nice about it is that we can just go right over everything without any big concern about it. So it will just be on the main floor here. And it solves a lot of problems and would probably cost a little bit more, but I think it'll work pretty good. Pretty much all of the quarter rounds are up from the baseboards, so we can install the stuff right up to the baseboards, about 1/4 inch of gap, and then undercut the door jambs and slip the flooring under that, and that would work out pretty good. So then I'm going to have to get new blinds. I'll think about replacing the door. I don't know if I need to or not. Certainly painting anyway. All right, so that is it. Dave has been working his butt off today. Okay. Yeah, that is it. So that is the plan for right now. We're gonna, I think, do the snap lock floor and into the kitchen also. So we'll think about it a little bit more, and then I will let you know what the final decision is. But you can see here the old accumulated linoleum is maybe 3/8 of an inch thick, leading into the kitchen. So we'll have to deal with that too, because we're thinking of doing snap lock right over the kitchen floor too. Okay, so stay tuned and see what happens.